Modern Tuscan is a correction, not a revival. After years of cool minimalism, design moved back toward warmth, craft, and materials that age well. The rug is usually where it starts. Wool is the first choice, naturally lustrous, tonal, and built to improve over time. New Zealand wool carries a longer fiber and a subtle sheen that reads as quietly expensive. For refined spaces, a wool and silk blend adds directional light play that no flat surface can replicate. Texture does what pattern used to. Carved pile, dimensional weave, quiet abstract detail. These are the signatures of the look. Outside, the aesthetic extends to terraces and covered patios. UV-resistant construction, warm, natural tones, built for spaces where indoors and outdoors deliberately blur. The result is grounded luxury, warmth without weight, craftsmanship without ornament.